What is up, guys? And today I will show you the 2 easy ways on how to check your bike chain. Okay, so you want to do this all the time. Okay, you want to do this all the time, because if you don't, your chain gonna have some slack and then it's gonna mess up your cogs. So same thing as your car, it's gonna be doing metal to metal. So you want to change your brakes on your car before you change your rotors. So today I'm gonna show you the first one. The first one, I call this fingering. Okay, we're gonna use our fingering to check it. So the fingering is you put your finger right here, you grab the chain. Okay, you see, I don't see no hole. If you see a hole, like a big hole, it means you need a new chain. So I'm talking about this one. This one is bad. You can see through. You see a big hole in there. So before you do this one, make sure you put the gear, the big ring on front and then small ring on the back. And the second one, I call this Moderna, the COVID-19 vaccine, because we're gonna use tools, the CC44. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Super easy, super simple. It'll save you a lot of money. And you can get this one, the link is on the description below. Let's go. So make sure it's inside, not out here with a gap, it's inside. So I'm gonna put it right here. Put it right here, oh, right there, and then we're gonna press this thing, press it, okay, press and put it right here. As you pressing, you see it won't go down because this is a brand new chain. If it does go down, if it clears, it means that's 0.5. So if you got 12 speed and 11 speed, it means you need to change it. Okay, see, if you got like less than 10 speed, you're gonna use 75. So this one, look, it doesn't go down.